Pippi, can you please prepare strong black coffee for me? Actually, today I went to do something and now my mind is not in the right place. My mind is about to explode. Anyway, Uncle, where's everyone? Can we have everyone in the drawing room? Today, once and for all, I want to clear up a misunderstanding.
Yes, we will call them, but what is the matter? I mean,
everyone who's there pitting upstairs, please come down. I have to tell you all something. 1 minute.
Oh my, what is wrong with him?
Mithai?
This person walked out of the house without informing anyone. And the entire family blamed me as if I asked her to leave the house. And then I have to go to Janoi and request her to come back. And it doesn't end here. After returning home, she will realize that she can't face Grandpa. And then I had to face the whole drama. Grandpa, you please tell your Tufan male something.
Sushma! I can't tell you, I'm so happy today. I'm so happy that I can eat 20 pieces of sweets alone. My Lord has given me the best gift on my wedding anniversary. Many, many thanks to my Lord.
Hail the Lord!
Hail Lord!
Hail the Lord! Hail the Lord! Hail the Lord! Hail the Lord! Look who has come! Mithai has come! Mithai has come! Look who has come! Mithai has come! Look who has come! Mithai has come! Mithai has come! Look who has come! Mithai has come!
How will you know? You just left us and went away.
Now don't say anything to her. Mithai has come back now. My grandson has brought the daughter-in-law of the house back. He honored the Modak family's prestige.
Preachers for Siddharth!
Hooray! Please, hooray! Hold on, wait. First, tell this girl to not do any more drama here. She left the house and made me the villain in front of everyone. I'll request all the family members to stop treating me as a villain.
Yes.
Thank you.
Siddharth, I promise you on behalf of everyone. Hala party?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Ready.
So everyone get ready and say it together. Emperor, you are great.
Rajiv, do you know what? I know there's always some drama going on in this house.
Yeah.
But after this girl's arrival, the level of drama has reached another level.
Yes.
Anyway, Pippi, will you please give me my black coffee?
Whatever you ask for, today your aunt will give you everything. Go to your room. I will get your black coffee, okay?
Thank you. And one more request to all of you, please. If you all free me from this situation, then that'll be really great. Thank you.
Okay, who talked the most for so long? Then who is Tufan Male? Mithai or... Leave it, nothing.
Nothing at all. All of us are very upset with you. It was unfair to go without telling anyone.
Dad, I think now we should speak to Ratu's mother over the phone. We have to fix Nipa and Ratu's engagement date.
No, Sulata. Mother, we will fix Nipa and Ratul's engagement date. And then we will just inform Sushmita, that's it.
As you wish, auntie, as you wish. We are happy to have Mithai back, isn't it?
Grandmother, I was unable to live without you. Okay, tell me, when is the engagement?
Not now. First, we will celebrate my father and mother's wedding anniversary. After that, Nipa and Ratul engagement. And you too came back. That means we will have a double celebration at our home. Do you agree?
Agree!
I don't
Grandmother,
agree.
grandmother.
No,
Grandma, please, grandma.
I'm not ready to celebrate wedding anniversary at this age. Listen, Opa, if you do anything as such, I will just leave the house. Now only think about Nipa and Ratul's engagement. Go and decide about it, okay?
Okay,
Grandma,
okay,
but-
let us ask grandfather, please.
Grandpa.
Please.
Over. Look, child, in my life, I have always obeyed my wife. Your wish won't come true. I, of course, would have enjoyed it, but I can't disobey her. Sushma, wait. Offer good food to the Lord.
Now what will happen? What will happen?
It will happen.
Will it?
Come closer, everyone.
Come.
That day, as we all made a circle, make a circle right now.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, I'm very ashamed because of your cheap action. Didn't you even think about Grandpa once? Grandpa will be so shocked if Mithai signs on the divorce papers.
Thank you, Rajiv. I will leave after giving this pen drive to Sid.
No, you don't have to leave right away. You both can talk about work and all of that. Go.
You? Why are you so interested? What is there to talk so much? Tell me now. Tell me.
I didn't talk much. Just a little. Listen, Nanda. It's just a matter of courtesy. Forget all that. Mithai said that she will plan something. Where is she? Huh? Mithai?
Tess, when did you come? Why are you standing like this?
You were busy, so I didn't call you. You didn't come to the office today. The client has suggested some changes. It's in this presentation.
Tess. Actually, everyone was thinking that I asked Mithai to leave the house. Everyone blamed me so much that I couldn't take it anymore, so I had to bring Mithai back under compulsion. In fact, I was very upset because Grandpa was also blaming only me. He thought that I said something to Mithai.
No, Sid. You did the right thing. Your family is happy. And I'm happy to know that. Very good. Oh my. Mithai, you are here? Now you are serving tea and cooking meals for your husband and also taking care of him. Very good. Well done.
Miss Torsha, would you like to have coffee? Aunt prepared it.
No, Mithai. I didn't come here to have tea or coffee. I came for some work. And it's not possible for you to understand that. Oh, but one never knows. Your husband may make you understand his job. What do you people call it? Business, right? He may explain to you his business.
Tess, what are you talking about? Tess, why are you so upset? Why do you let yourself down? You were not like this.
You don't understand, right? You don't understand why I've been having so many outbursts of late. Bursts. You don't understand. Okay, Sid. Now everyone will not only think of Mithai as a daughter-in-law of this family, but they will also accept her as your wife. There is no confusion now. She left the house in anger and you did everything what a husband should do. You brought her back. Okay, Sid. After this, and your family is going to believe that she's not your wife. Sid, you say something and do something else. It doesn't happen that way. And I feel upset when I see all this. Yes, I mean, I'm falling from all sides. From all sides.
Please tell Miss Torsha that even if everyone believes that you have accepted me, but I don't believe it. And I won't believe it ever. So there is no reason for Miss Torsha to feel scared.
That means you were eavesdropping on my conversation with Tess.
No, I'm not interested in listening to you. I just came for your help. Tomorrow morning, if you can take grandmother and grandfather outside, then we all can organize something for their wedding anniversary.
Hold on. Wait. What arrangement? For Grandpa and Grandma's wedding anniversary?
Yes, but grandmother isn't allowing us. And all of us have some aspirations after all.
What must I do?
Siddharth, I have a suggestion. If you can take grandmother and grandfather outside. If they are out, then we can decorate the house beautifully so that in the evening we can organize a grand celebration for them.
Okay, done.
Okay. What?
What?
What? Done? That means it's a yes. What?
Yes.
Yes.
Listen, take this, have your medicine.
Dad, you know I just called Ratul's family. So Sushmita madam has no objection. We can fix the engagement on any day.
Oh no, then we will have to call the priest to fix the date. There are so many hurdles, I just can't understand.
Yes, Mom, that's what I am saying. There are so many hurdles.
If I could, I would get them engaged tomorrow itself.
Yes, we can fix it. Tomorrow is a good day. If you can insist, I can speak to Sushmita and Animesh.
No, I'm saying. Yes. Okay. Yes. No, we'll follow what Mithai's plan
Hey!
is.
What are you whispering?
Nothing. No, nothing.
Yes.
You're not doing anything. Nothing.
Okay, can we fix Nipa and Ratul's engagement tomorrow itself? Look, everything depends on you. You all suggest. Look, we were anyway planning to do it. Had Mithai not gone, then we would have done the engagement. You all suggest?
No, it's not possible tomorrow. Tomorrow, your grandson wants to take you and grandmother somewhere.
Grandson? Which grandson?
Grandpa? No, I mean what I'm saying is
I mean, it's not me. No, never.
Everyone speaks a lot in this house.
Really?
Grandpa. Actually, I have an ongoing project in Barasat. Weren't you saying that you wish to visit a relative?
Did I say that? When?
I think you were talking about Hashu auntie. Yeah, right.
Correct, brother. Aunt Hassie.
Yeah.
Aunt Hassie lives in Barasat, right, mother? You were talking about Aunt Hassie.
Yes, Hasi sister.
Yes, I can take you there tomorrow.
Oh my, Siddharth, will you take us to Harshu's sister's house? Wow, that is wonderful. Come on, let's go and visit Harshu's sister. It's been so many days. I haven't been there. She is your grandpa's aunt sister. Harshu's sister is very sick right now. And above all that, she is bedridden.
Yeah, poor thing. Really. It's been so many days you haven't gone to Hashu auntie's house. Go and meet her.
Get aside. Father, take mother to Aunt Hassie's house. It's been so many days you haven't gone there. And nowadays we have forgotten our responsibilities. So take mother.
Yeah. You should go. You should go. You must go to meet brother and sister.
Okay, Grandpa will go. Why are you talking so much?
You are correct, Nanda. Don't you know my brother goes overboard at times? Be quiet now. Did you hear that, Grandpa? Huh? He's such a mean fellow. He still hasn't learned that he must respect his elders and also love his elder brother.
Grandfather, I'll prepare the Indian sweet tomorrow. You can take it.
Listen, why are you so quiet? Say something. Are we going or not?
Since everyone is so excited to send us, then we must go. Yes! But I think there is something fishy. Especially because my grandson, who has never done any duty, he is willing to take us to see a relative at his wife's behest. Right, Sushma?
Grandpa, you've suddenly become very dramatic.
Where?
This girl is spoiling everyone. It's very disturbing. Move.
That girl left the house out of anger, and you? You did everything what a husband should do. You brought her back. And after this, who in your family is going to trust that she's not your wife?
I have to make it clear to everyone that just because I brought Mithai home, it doesn't mean she is my wife. No one must harbor this misconception. Actually, if you go to see, Tess is right in a way. It's true that everyone is thinking that I have accepted Mithai as my wife. No, this is not possible.
Grandfather,
Yes.
you must have a good time there. There is no hurry.
Yes, Grandma. Talk to your heart's content. Have a good time.
Yes, Grandpa. Have a good time, talk and enjoy. There's no need to hurry.
What is the matter? Why are you all constantly saying the same thing?
Hey, did I not tell you, Sushma? They are definitely hiding something. You didn't understand? Leave it. Siddharth is taking us. It is not a small thing. How many times have we been so lucky?
Grandpa, this is very unfair. If you tell me, I can take you out. In fact, I'll take you.
Yes, of course, I supposed you would have taken us had we asked, but you have never offered to take us without our having to ask. Anyway, listen everyone. Today your grandma and I are going on a long drive. we both are feeling like a hero and heroine, right? No matter whether there is any function or not. But we cannot ignore that is our wedding anniversary today.
Grandfather, are you not getting late? Why are you talking so much? You will get late if you talk much. Don't you know this? But Mithai knows it very well. This is why of late I have been trying to talk less. Just a little. You should also do the same. Have you understood? Now here, hold it.
Uncle,
Yes.
can you ask this drama queen to talk less? Like for once, maybe?
No, that is impossible.
Actually, Aunt, if she speaks so much, I feel... how do I explain? I feel very...
Disgusting. That is what you wanted to say, right? Now, did you see that, grandfather? I said that I want to speak less, but he does things that I cannot help but speak. Now go and bring the car.
I'll bring it even if you don't say it. No matter what, my car works very well. Grandma? Grandpa? I'm taking out the car. You'll come.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hail Goddess
Travel
Durga.
safely.
Come, let's go.
Ow!
You were busy talking and we have been hiding there. I can't stand this. Oh, that is what I'm
Seriously,
saying.
huh? You were busy talking. I've been signaling to you, but you all were least bothered.
Slowly.
Shom, where's Shom? I mean, we have to decorate the house. Dad, I'll handle it. The flowers are very heavy. There's nothing to worry. Huh? We will manage everything, okay? All right? Ratul?
He was with us. Where has he gone?
Oh yeah. One minute. Where did Neepa go? Huh?
What? Oh my.
Nothing. Actually, today is Grandpa and Grandma's anniversary. Their engagement is later.
Ish. Why are you so rude? Let them go wherever they want to go. They are going to get engaged. Let's go inside. Come on.
Oh, Sulata, Shri, just look at her. Why are you blushing? Everyone, just look at Sulata.
What's the matter?
What I mean to say
What's
is...
the matter, huh?
What happened?
Anu, at least listen to me.
Come on, go inside.
Let's go. Come, let's go.
Give me. Nipa, this is for you. Yes. I already bought it, but I couldn't give it to you. Actually, I don't know how everyone will react to it. But finally, tomorrow is our engagement. Excited? So this is your gift. Please try it. I don't know whether I'll get a chance or not, so I give it today. Please try it.
You brought it for me? Hold it.
Yeah. Hey, I caught a thief! All of you come here quickly!
Thief! Where's the thief?
Thief!
Wait, where are you going?